Welcome to the screencast of DevOps Homework 3 Cache Proxies and Queues. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how Redis can be used as a built-in infrastructure to perform certain tasks. So first of all, I have already started the Redis server that is running on port number 6379, as you can see here. Now I'm going to start a client server. And there we go. So I've started a client server that is listening on port number 3000. Let's go ahead and test it on the web browser if it is up and running. So as you can see that the server is up and running. Now let's start off by demonstrating the get and set functionality. The set route is going to set this as the value to the key, and we can get the value by visiting the get route. So once I do a /set, it says a key set, and this key is going to self-destruct in 10 seconds. So if I do a get, so this is the value of the key, and if I wait for another few seconds, it's going to destruct. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see that the key in the Redis server has been deleted. Next we're going to demonstrate the /recent route. This would display the 5 most recently visited URLs. Let's go ahead and test this. There you go. So this displays the 5 most recent URLs that I visited. So let me visit google.com and see if it shows up in the list. As expected, it cannot get to Google, but it should be in the list. Yeah, there you go. So you can see google.com in the list. Next, I'm gonna upload a few images on the browser that will be stored in a stack on Redis, and then retrieve those images one by one, starting from the most recently uploaded image. So in order to do that, I'm gonna do a curl to my web browser and upload this image. As you can see, the web browser received a post request for the upload, and then I'm gonna upload another image. And there you go. And now I'm using this route. So as you can see, this was the most recent image that was uploaded. So if I do a refresh, it's gonna give me the next image in the stack. There you go. Next task is to demonstrate spawning and destroying servers. Once I do a spawn, it's gonna create a new web server that would be running on port number 3001, and this web server will be added on a list on Redis, which can be retrieved using list servers. So here you can see we have currently two active servers running. One is on port number 3000, the other is on port number 3001, and now I'm going to destroy a random server by calling destroy. So this has destroyed server number 3001. So if we go and check in our list, we're gonna see only one server. So there you go, we have 3000. And now if I try to destroy this server, it should throw an error saying that it cannot destroy all the servers. I mean, it needs to have at least one server running. And lastly, I'm going to demonstrate a proxy server. The job of the proxy server is to redirect all the incoming messages uniformly across the active servers, one at a time. So in order to in order to do that, I am gonna start the proxy server. So the proxy server is up and running on port number 8091. Let's spin up a few web servers first. So we have created a new server 3002. Let's spawn another server. So we have 3003. So now we have we have three servers, 3000, 3002, and 3003 running. And so let's go ahead and send a request to the proxy server. I'm gonna do a set this. So if we go ahead and see in the console of the proxy server, it says that the request was sent to 3000. And if I go to my other terminal, this says that it received a request, a GET request from the proxy web server. I'm gonna send another request. Say I do another set, for example. So this time the proxy server sent the request to 3002, and here we can see that the request was received from the proxy server. So if I send another request, this request goes to 3003. So in this way the requests are uniformly distributed. If I do another set request, it's gonna go back to the first server, as you can see here. So that's all for now. Thanks a lot.